We have 5x minus y into 5x plus y. This will become first term square minus second term square. 5x square, the square is in on both the coefficient and variable. 25x square minus y square. This will not further solve as the both terms are unlike term. These questions you have to solve this question using this identity. Next we have identity 4. This is another important identity. X plus y cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket x plus y and bracket closed. Using this identity we can solve this question based on cube. So 1001 cube. 1001 cube will be 1000 plus 1 whole cube. So on the place of x we have 1000 and on place of y we have 1. So on place of x cube we will get 1000 cube. On place of y we will get 1 cube plus 3 into x. On place of x 1000, on place of y 1 bracket x 1000 plus y 1. After solving this we can get this. You can solve it easily. 1000 cube 1 into 6 times 0 plus 1 cube is 1. 1 multiplied in infinite times you get 1. Next 3 into 1000, 3000 into 1, 3000 bracket 1000 plus 1 is 1001. After solving this you get this easily. Next if we have polynomial form, 2x plus 3 whole cube is again on place of x we have 2x. So first term cube, second term cube plus 3 into first into second term bracket first term plus second term. First term cube will be on both coefficient and variable. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2 8 x cube. 3 cube is 3 3 is a 9 9 3 27. 3 2 6 6 3 18x bracket 2x plus 3. 8x cube plus 27 plus next again we multiply this with first term, next with this first term. So we will get 18 to 36 x square plus 54x. Another example, a plus 4b whole cube, first term cube plus second term cube plus 3 into first into second term bracket a plus 4b, first term plus second term. We have to solve it further. A cube, 4 cube is 64b cube plus 3 4 is 12 a into b bracket a plus 4b. This 12ab will be multiplied with first this then with this. A cube 64b cube, 12 into 1 12, a into a square, b 12 into 4 48, a b into b square. You have to solve all these questions using this identity. Next we have to factorize. Like if we have this expanded term, expanded form of any polynomial, we can factorize it in this form. Clear? So we have to factorize. For factorization we have to focus on only two terms. This is the question. We have to factorize it. We have to focus on only two terms. Those two terms are the cube term. Like 64x cube is 4x whole cube and 8 is 2 cube. Leave all this term. Focus on these two terms. So we have to make this x plus y cube. So on place of x we have 4x and on place of y we have 2. If all sign are positive, this is the formula of x plus y whole cube. Clear? Next we have 125 plus a cube plus 75 a square plus 15a. 125 is 5 cube plus a cube plus last two terms. Focus on cube terms. On place of x we have 5, on place of y we have a. All the signs are positive, so this is the formula of 5 plus a whole cube. Next 2 under root 2 x cube plus 5 under root 5 a cube plus these two terms. Focus on cube terms. 2 under root 2 is under root 2 into under root 2 into under root 2. This is 2 under root 2. It means under root 2 whole cube. Similarly 5 into under root 5 is under root 5 into under root 5 into under root 5. It means under root 5 whole cube. So under root 2 x cube is all the signs are positive, we will get positive identity x plus y cube. On place of x we have under root 2x, and on place of y we have under root 5a bracket cube if all the signs are positive. You have to solve this question using this identity. You have to factorize it in this identity. Clear? Next, identity 5. In identity 5 we have x minus y cube. As we have x plus y cube, in which all the signs we get here positive, in x minus y cube all the signs will be negative. X cube minus y cube minus 3xy bracket x minus y. Let's solve the questions. 99 cube will be 100 minus 1 cube. On place of x we have 100, on place of y we have 1. So it is 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 bracket 100 minus 1. Just substitute the values on place of x and y. Now after solving you will get 97,299. Okay, 9,70,299, sorry. Next term is x minus 2 whole cube. So first term cube minus second term cube minus 3. Look at the identity and solve this question. Minus 3 into x into 2 bracket x minus 2. So x cube minus 8, 3 to the 6x bracket x minus 2. X cube minus 8, 6 x square minus minus plus 6 to the 12x. These all are unlike terms, we can't further solve it. Next, factorize. Now we have to move from right hand side to left hand side. We have to factorize it in this form. So to factorize it, simply focus on cube terms. So cube term is first and second term. First and second term is our cube term. 8 is 2 cube, 125 is 5x cube, minus 30x 2 minus 5x. We have to form this in the form of x minus y whole cube. So in place of x we have 2, in place of y we have 5x. All the signs are negative, so we get formal identity of negative x2 minus 5x whole cube. This is the factorized form of this term. You have to solve these questions. You have to solve all these questions using this identity. So that's all for this class. Next identities we will learn in next video. Bye bye.